Right now it is July, the middle of the summer, and you need to start preparing for Q4 as soon as possible. This is very urgent. Most people here on YouTube, Q4 is the best time to get started, and Q4 is this amazing time where you make the most amount of money, when in reality, if you start in Q4, you're gonna be crushed. All right? If you have no idea what you're doing and you start in Q4, there's so much more competition that you're not gonna make things profitable, most likely. What you really need to do is go into Q4 with a winning product and scale that really, really strong. This is what you need on Q4. It's not about testing things on Q4 and in Q4 everybody buys and that's why you're gonna succeed. No. If you have a winner, which is on scale already, and you go into Q4, you can actually make real numbers, like legit money. I understand that this video kind of sucks because putting Q4 in the title right now is not gonna get a lot of clicks. And people don't even want to hear about Q4 because it's so far away. And when people click on Q4 videos is in Q4, where it does not matter at all anymore because you're late, it's done. There's no point. And it's exactly the same thing as people who start going to the gym in June or in July, where they think now they're gonna get ripped and now they're gonna be really, really big because they started like a month before their vacation in August or in July. This is not how it works. Your six-pack is not built in June, it's starting in January. And this video is literally just this quick reminder of me telling you right now is always the best time to start, all right? You need to start dropshipping right now. There's no time for waiting, and you will miss this opportunity if you don't. Because if you wait another few years, which sounds crazy to you, you would never think that it's gonna take you years until you get started because it's just like a month. In a month I'm gonna start, in a month I'm for sure gonna start. This 1 month always turns out into years. I've talked to hundreds of people at this point. I know what I'm talking about. People in the dropshipping community don't get started. It's terrible to watch. But most people know about dropshipping for years until they start, if they even start. And if you're not gonna start after this video, please save this video, put yourself a timer into your calendar in 3 months, where in your head, for sure, you already started with dropshipping, like 100%. In 3 months, for sure, you already started dropshipping and probably already doing some numbers in your head, right? You're gonna laugh at yourself. You're gonna see that nothing has changed, nothing, okay? And even when you start, whenever people get started with dropshipping, they think in the next 3 months, their life substantially changes, all right? They think, I just need to do this small thing and I made it, that's it. I don't need to go to my job anymore. I'm gonna do dropshipping full time, work from wherever the fuck I want, and make a crazy amount of money. They don't understand that this is a long-term process. And they also don't understand what it takes to really make money with dropshipping. Most people who want to have a successful store, they don't want to have a successful store. They want to get rich quick. And unfortunately, that's exactly what is selling on YouTube. Like, people give this false expectation. They say, it's this magic pill where in the next month you're gonna be a millionaire just so you buy my program. And that's exactly what creates a false expectation. You hear all those promises, from that you understand that it's gonna be really easy to make money, okay? It's not. If you don't do this right now, it's not gonna work, all right? You're gonna forget about this. Things are always gonna come up. There's no perfect moment. And right now, maybe you even think, I have a lot of things to do right now, I'm moving, or I'm changing my job currently, or I do this, I have this big project. After that, I'm starting. You're not. There's just gonna be the next thing which comes up and the next thing which comes up. It's just this endless cycle where most people think that in a few months, their life will change. And it's really sad to watch where I had people who I talked to and didn't start the program like 1.5 years ago. And we basically called them back now, like a 1.5 years later, and asked them, hey man, how's it going? And they want to start in a month. Right now is not the best time yet, they want to start in a month. And that's exactly what they've been telling themselves for the last 1.5 years. So please don't be that guy and get started right now. The other question is how? What do you actually do? What's the first step? And that's a valid question, and most people don't understand that. And most people really feel lost in the process because it's so much. And I get it. Like, it actually is a lot if you never did this before. And this is the exact reason why I do this program. I understand that most people in the dropshipping community are extremely lost. They don't know what the first step is and how to make a store actually work. So if you're interested in finding out how the program works, and if you're also a good fit for it, click the link below, sign up for a free consultation session. We're gonna have a one-on-one call. I'm gonna find out if you're actually a good fit. and I'm going to tell you exactly how this program is structured, and you can also ask me every dropshipping question you want in general, and basically it's free, so you have nothing to lose. So click the link below, sign up for that. Also, if you're not ready for that yet and you're not 100% sure or generally have other questions, you can also DM me on Instagram, ask me whatever you want, and yeah, talk to you soon.